Jai Jagat and a very good evening. On behalf of Joplin Road Campus and Rajajipuram Campus 2, I take this opportunity to welcome the August gathering to the 16th GeoFest International 2021.
Act now, climate change will rapidly alter the land and waters we all depend upon for our survival, leaving us all in a very different world. With this aim, the two campuses of City Montessori School, Joplin Road Campus and Rajajipuram Campus 2 have collaborated to bring before you the 16th GeoFest International to raise awareness in the young minds.
I bear witness, oh my God, that Thou hast created me to know Thee and worship Thee.
मैदाने जंग में मरना है, फिरंगी से नहीं डरना है। कहती है रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ये वादा पूरा करना है। मैं बेगम हजरत महल, हमने 1857 में आज़ादी का बिगुल बजा दिया है।
Spread far all over the world.
Away, away from men and town, to the wild woods and down, to the silent wilderness, where the soul needs not repress its music. Nature soothes, heals souls, refreshes our thoughts and gives us a common language that transcends political and social boundaries.
I feel highly privileged to be representing my nation on this global platform. I would like to draw the attention of all the honorable entities to the worsening water nightmare in my country. Nearly half of the country is struggling with drought-like situations. Several researchers have warned that the demand for drinking water will outstrip its supply by 2030 if stringent measures are not adopted.
Soil. The very word human is linked to the word humus or soil. Without humus, human life is unsustainable. We are on the brink of soil extinction.
Standards that has completely revolutionized the path of prosperity. We owe it to our common practices and a holistic teaching environment that strives for progress and excellence in every field.
We give maximum importance to intellectual and educational reforms and never ignore the power of simple changes in our living standards, which has completely revolutionized the path of prosperity. We owe it to our common practices and holistic teaching environment that strives for progress and excellence in all fields. Over to Kaina and Anshika to introduce the teams.
Here are the names of the international team. The Slavic Anglo-American School, Marina, Moscow, Russia. Here we have Loreto College, Foxtrot, Dublin, Ireland. Then we have the Indian School, Bahrain. Now we have Pierce Johnston, Canada.
I now invite respected Principal Mrs. Shipra Upadhyay for her address.
This GeoFest is but a small drop which I hope will expand and become an ocean in the coming years, because it will create awareness, it will motivate people, it will motivate our youth to whom we look up to, because we believe that they will be not only the change makers but the change overs.
Principal, Rajajipuram Campus 2, respected Mrs. Anupma Checker.
Mass awareness has to be created among people to conserve the environment for a better future for the coming generations. Keeping the above mentioned occurrences in view and to develop a sense of belongingness to our Mother Earth, we are back with 16th GeoFest International.
Over to the students for an enthralling all-religion prayer.
La ilaha
मेरा मजहब तू, जहाँ देख वहाँ बस तू ही तू, मेरा इश्क है तू, मेरा मजहब तू, जहाँ देख वहाँ बस तू ही तू.
I would take this opportunity to please invite Mr. Rajiv Sinha, Additional Secretary, Cabinet Secretariat, Government of India.
It is indeed an honor and a privilege to be invited to the 16th GeoFest International, which focuses on environment and is an effort to bring about nature closer to the inheritors of this earth. The bid to raise environmental consciousness among the youth and students is indeed commendable.
We now invite our respected founder manager, respected Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, to please introduce our honorable chief guest for today.
माननीय महेंद्र सिंह जी, जल शक्ति उत्तर प्रदेश को आज हम अपने मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में अपने विद्यालय की जॉपलिंग रोड और राजाजीपुरम 2 शाखा के द्वारा आयोजित भूगोल ज्योग्राफी ओलंपियाड, इंटरनेशनल ज्योग्राफी ओलंपियाड के अवसर पर उनको हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं.
अभी मैं देख रहा था आदरणीय जगदीश गांधी जी के पीछे जो बोर्ड लगा हुआ है उस पर कितना सुंदर वाक्य लिखा हुआ है, 1 वर्ड 1 गार्ड 1 फैमिली. कितना सुंदर स्लोगन है. और इस आधार पर मैं कह सकता हूं कि वास्तव में इनके द्वारा हर कदम पूरी दुनिया के लिए जोड़ने का एक अभिनव प्रयोग है. हमें मिलकर मानवता के लिए भूगोल विषय के नए आविष्कार, विशेषज्ञ एवं भूवैज्ञानिक तैयार करना है. इस ओलंपियाड के अंतर्गत आयोजित भूगोल विषयक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की प्रतियोगिताओं में प्रतिष्ठित स्कूलों की छात्र टीमें प्रतिभाग करके अपने नवीनतम वैज्ञानिक ज्ञान का आदान प्रदान करेंगी.
So we will not take more time. Let us go and witness this beautiful presentation created in collaboration by the teachers, by the mothers and by the students of the 2 campuses.
के तारों को ज़मीं पर आज लाकर हम भी देखेंगे, इस दुनिया को सजा दुल्हन बनाकर हम भी देखेंगे, इस दुनिया को सजा दुल्हन बनाकर हम भी देखेंगे, अजी हाँ हम भी देखेंगे.
Please put your hands together and welcome Professor Geeta Gandhi Kingdon, the President and Managing Director of City Montessori School.
I'm very moved by the very last presentation, the one that we just saw, this impactful Qawwali, and recognizing that there is a real problem on hand. It is an existential problem, the problem of climate change. Suddenly, the whole world is aware of what is happening, and we are all also very aware that it is a seemingly intractable problem now.
We now have the world's unity prayer.
I am the world's citizen, and I pray, oh my God, unite the hearts of thy servants. Dear God, let unity prevail on earth. I represent Asia, the largest of the continents, blessed with immense beauty and diversity. I represent Europe, the heart of the world, a continent of intellectual pursuits and promoter of new enterprises.
May unity prevail on earth. Let all the world be united. Let all the world be free. Let all the world be united. Let all the world be free. Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth. begging us, please stop listening to greed beneath your feet.
On this auspicious occasion of this beautiful beginning, I invite the doyen of our CMS family, our very own respected Badi Didi, respected Dr. Bharti Gandhi, to please offer the vote of thanks.
Teachers have done their best. I suppose when there will be competitions going on, we will have the display of the wonderful presentations which other students will present, and our Joplin Road branch, I was wonderstruck to witness that Qawwali which was depicting nature and everything which is required to be done has been given to us by their artistic presentation.
I welcome all of you to the first day of 16th GeoFest International event.
I bear witness, oh my God, that thou hast created me to know thee and worship thee.
Rapping is a musical form of vocal delivery that incorporate rhyme, rhythmic speech, and straight vernacular, which is performed in a variety of ways. The components of rap include content, flow, and delivery. The theme of 16th GeoFest International Geo Rhapsody event is Mother Earth.
So beginning with the junior category, firstly I would like to invite school code GF004.
ये धरती मेरी माँ है, इसने दी मुझे बना है, एहसान इसका ले चुका हूँ मैं कैसे, बहुत छोटा हूँ मैं इसकी ममता के आगे। धरती मेरी माँ है, तड़प रही है, रो करिए जल्दी हमें परवाह है। This is for our mother nature. This is for mother nature. This is for our mother nature. This is for my mother nature.
कुछ आम इंसान है, किसान परेशान, समाज को अनाज कैसे दे वो हैरान, करे बाद बरसात बिना खाद किस बात की, तूफान आने वाला है किसी को नहीं, सुबह शाम चले कारखाने, धुआं छोड़े आसमान को थोड़ा भी न रास है।
I would now like to invite our judge, Mr. Prateek Gupta, to please say a few words.
It has really become a tough task for me to, finalize the scoreboard now because all the students were so amazing, so amazing.
Welcome all the teams who have participated in Geo Ads.
Hi Vasundhara, what's going on? I hope all preparations are going on track for Sanju's wedding.
Yes, it's almost done. I just have to meet the WCE team.
WCE? What is that?
WCE stands for We Care for Earth. It is a world-renowned organization which provides sustainable and eco-friendly disposables, toiletries and cosmetics.
So presenting before you an eco-friendly product, BioBlaze. This pack contains pens and pencils with seeds behind it. Once the pen is out of ink or the pencil is too short to write, the seeds at the back of the pen can be grown into plants.
Hey, do you have another pencil?
I do.
I would request our judges to please bless the children.
We received out of 13 entries, and you are the top 5 amongst them. So, firstly, kudos to you and your team and your mentors that you performed so well.
On behalf of City Montessori School, Jopling Road Campus and Rajajipuram Campus 2, I extend a warm welcome to one and all present here. I'll just like to introduce our moderator here. Mr. Aiden is leading a research project to evaluate CMS experience with online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. This includes facilitating focus groups, administering questionnaires, and compiling data reports.
Thank you for the warm introduction. You know, I really look forward to hearing from everyone's insight about this, and it's a privilege to be here. So thank you.
It becomes an asset. But as soon as it starts to become polluted, it becomes a burden. In CMS, it was right from the smaller classes.
I feel like even if that is something small, telling this the other people makes it very important.
I just want to thank you, first of all, for that wonderful presentation. I appreciated the collaborative atmosphere there. You know, it shows that everyone worked together to pick this particular topic. 25 cents for a plastic bag, and the numbers reduced drastically. So do you think it's about convincing people or, you know, forcing rules?
Sir, in various shops, like even if we go now, we can see in various shops, the shopkeepers give plastic bags, but we can tell them to use cloth bags, and sometimes we use paper bags also, like in medicinaries. So like this, by taking some small steps, we could make a huge amount of people using cloth bags.
Pollution. One of the most threatening and dangerous concerns of our time.
The toxins emitted by vehicles are also very dangerous for human health, considering that are at street level where humans can breathe the air directly into their lungs. Challenge yourself to drive less and bike more.
Jai Jagat and good afternoon. The CMS Jopling Road and Rajajipuram family welcomes you all to this GeoFest event of Geo Expressions.
The land was dry and parched. All the detailed farmers looked up at the sky, waiting for the clouds to pour and revive their land.
If all of the people living in that town agree with the fact of cutting down the tree.
Today, we're going to tell a folk tale that takes place in the beautiful country of Malaysia.
We dwelling in the tree to leave it. O Supreme Deity, please leave this tree. I request you to please leave your dwelling as I want to cut this tree.
The first event for the day is Geo Taste, and the theme for this year is indigenous crops.
Do you know if they use it toasted or if they just use whatever's left over?
They use the leftover part.
Hiral, I'm just for us to be in parity. We are
From Brazil cuisine, it's called salsa or vinaigrette.
Supposed to eat this with something or just on its own?
We can have it in both the ways. Like if we want only the salad, like at night, if we want only a light meal, we can have it as a salad.
Then we'll be keeping this cocoa powder 3 tablespoons.
Dear teams, I'm glad to introduce today to our quiz master and host of the show, Mr. Nalin Srivastava.
Team C, ready? Okay, the question is coming now for Team C. And your question is, during the volcanic eruption, Lacolith. And your time starts now.
Sir, option A.
Option A. Okay, we lock on to option A and let's see what the right answer is. And the right answer is correct. Fecolith, option A. Fantastic, Team C. You got 10 points. Let's move to Team D. The velocity of winds is governed by.
So A.
A. Very good. A is the correct answer. Fantastic.
Institutes in the world. A. California Institute of Technology. B. Harvard University. C. Stanford University. D. Princeton University.
Option C, Alcatraz Island.
That's the correct option. It's C. Alcatraz Island.
We would now like to start with our event Geo Design.
I would now finally like to welcome and wish the Twinkling Little Stars, our participating teams, who have been patiently waiting to bedazzle everyone today.
Let us view this performance now. Team GF002, you may now begin.
गलत आ रहा है।
Mesmerized, all of us, with this traditional land, far away land of Germany. I request our esteemed judges to please proceed with the interaction round.
Costume is very nice, colorful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, and there is energy in the dance. That's because so good. Good job. Keep it up.
Our next participants are Team GF011. Team GF011, you may please begin your performance. By Team GF017. I request our esteemed judges to please proceed with the interaction round.
Bright costumes and good use of props. I like your dance. Good luck.
Our next performance of the event is by Team GF024.
Team GF016 is going to perform now. The country allotted to them is Russia. Team GF016, you may please begin your performance.
To have you here with us to witness the closing ceremony and prize distribution ceremony for our event organized by City Montessori School, Jopling Road Campus and Rajajipuram Campus 2.
I bear witness, oh my God, that thou hast created me to know thee and to worship thee. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujanam श्यामला मातरम वन्दे मातरम।
Known planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
I would now like to invite the convener of GeoFest International, respected Mrs. Shipra Upadhyay.
We've come to an end of this beautiful event, and though we are happy that we were able to do it well, we are also sad to see it come to this conclusion. I would like to also take this opportunity to thank our young CEO, respected Roshan Gandhi sir, to be here with us. He made it a point, he missed out on the inaugural, so he made it a point to be here with us in person to wish you all the best. None of us had a raised voice. None of us, was angry. We were all happy being together. We were all joyful. And that is, I think, what is needed for this planet. We working together happily.
The most awaited day, a moment of pride and glory is here. Hold your breath for the prize distribution ceremony of the 16th GeoFest International. The second Judges' Choice Award goes to Bal Bharati Public School.
None other than City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 1. The special mention prize goes to Strawberry Fields High School. The third prize goes to City Montessori School, Aliganj, Campus 1. The special appreciation prize goes to City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 1. The first prize goes to City Montessori School, Aliganj, Campus 1.
Here from plastic bag litter. Without plastic, forests would be greener and rivers would be cleaner. Going plastic free does.
So here we have an eye-catching dance performance from the colorful state of Gujarat.
The GeoFest team is all praises for the documentaries submitted by the participants for the Geo documentary event. Your efforts and enthusiasm are truly appreciated. Each one of you is a winner.
Prize is backed by Subrat from Sanskar Valley School. The second prize goes to Kavita Ahuja from Saint Anand Ram Jaipuria School, Kanpur. And the first prize is backed by Probi Ghosh from Delhi Public School, Rudrapur.
I would request sir to kindly address the gathering.
A very good afternoon and Jai Jagat to everyone present here. And my hearty congratulations to all of the prize winners who've made such an effort with all of their submissions throughout the competitions in the GeoFest. And my thanks on behalf of the CMS management, to all of the judges who've kindly given their time, eminent personalities in their respective fields who've kindly given their time to support students from around the country and around the world who participated in this event.
I would like to request our respected founder manager to say few motivational words to bless all of us.
I have seen the whole program. It is a wonderful program. The closing ceremony was wonderful. It was as good as was the opening ceremony. All the 5 days that you have done this international event has been most meaningful, and children must have learned a lot.
I would like to now call upon respected Badi Didi.
The judges have done, you have brought them, you made them sit, and they have given wonderful judgment. I am really very proud of you, and the efforts gone there are no less than.
And now, as we wrap up GeoFest 16, let us not leave on a sad note. Let us fill our hearts with joy.
सूरज भी मत्था टेकदा लुत्फ